Elon Musk is not a trillionaire. People who are saying this, they don't understand the basics of finance. A lot of Elon Musk's wealth comes from his shares from Tesla. With his directly held shares and stock options, he has around 700 million shares. Which you know, it's quite a lot. But just look at Tesla financials. Elon Musk fanboys will tell me that this is the greatest company on the planet. But the truth is that Tesla is just a bubble and you're stupid. It's just a sad, cyclical auto manufacturer. Nothing more.
Oh my fucking god. Well, maybe that was a little too hard.
But taxis, AI, chips.
I just bought $1 million of Tesla.
Yes, that sounds great, but I'm not interested in discussing with some mentally challenged plants. Secondly, revenue is not growing and operating cash flow is not growing. As I said earlier, this is not a growth stock, it's a car manufacturer. Therefore, in the next years, there won't be any growth. Therefore, price to operating cash flow around 100 is overpriced. This trash stock can easily crash 90%. Even young Peter Lynch sold the stock. But you know, if Tesla investors decided to return to the monkey, let it be, let it be. What's this?
SpaceX debuted on public markets Friday at $150 a share, locking in an unprecedented $1.97 trillion market valuation.
I've made several videos about SpaceX, but it just keeps getting better. During IPO, SpaceX had valuation something like 94 price to sales ratio, but this was 4 days ago. Right now, SpaceX has I can't do this sober. SpaceX stock price is around $214. Some traders decided to become exit liquidity for some private investors. How else would you describe buying a stock with price to sales ratio around 140 and $2.8 trillion of valuation? I will explain in simple terms. If you buy this stock, you are fucking stupid. but the stock went up 20%. You clearly don't know what you are talking about. We will see in the next years. After all, we live in everything bubble. People like Michael Barry, the guy who predicted 2 of the last 20 recessions, they all are saying that Schiller P ratio is too high, that consumer sentiment is weak. But I was always skeptical towards those claims until today, when I see stocks like SpaceX, Micron, Intel. Last stage of dot-com bubble is coming back to my memory. But always remember, this time is different.